Hilda Baci, who is on her way to setting a Guinness World Record with regards to her cookathon, which she began on Thursday at about 4 p.m. on Thursday and is supposed to end later today. And like I was saying, Mike, before we went on the break, that she said that she had to have a lifestyle change before she began. She knew that she had to have a lifestyle change so that she'll be able to stand for the number of hours, the required stamina, because she cannot sit for all through while she's cooking, and she can only have 5 minutes break after every 1 hour. So she has to push herself to have accumulated period of rest minutes so that she can have maybe an hour or so in 24 hours. And so she has gone to show that resilience is key. If you are determined to do something, you can achieve it, actually.
Yeah, the point there is, Hilda, this record she's setting now is not just for the sake or for the purpose of the Guinness World Record.
No.
It is more about what power women carry. It is more of the capacity that a Nigerian lady or an African, what they can do when they say we are going to do it, and they are able to do it. You can see a lot of commendation from the president, from President-elect, Governor of Lagos State paid a surprise visit. It tells you that a lot of people are following this, and it means a lot to Nigeria.
Absolutely.
It may be seen as a very simple issue. Is it not just to cook? But when you go there, when you visit there and you see what she's doing and how she's doing it.
She has cooked over 150 meals.
50 meals.
Yes, over 3,000.
Even though I've not eaten.
You are not there now. You are not there. We are here. You can't eat, but there are others who have eaten it on our behalf. So,
of course.
Thank you for eating on our behalf. But then, the fact is that we know how it is.
No, of course.
Like I was mentioning it to someone upstairs, if I stand in the kitchen for 3 hours, the whole world must hear it that I stood for 3 hours. Now someone is pushing that.
For days.
For days, for 4 days, she's standing cooking different meals. It's a lot. Yes, we often say women, kitchen, and all of those. People think it's something easy, but it is now being seen that you can achieve something with that.
Yeah.
That record is what she's breaking.
This is going to inspire a lot of people.
Of course, it's already, in fact, inspiring a lot of young people.
I'm going to, from here, it wouldn't even take long. I wouldn't be surprised if even Nigerians who would like to even break this same record she's about to secure right now, or even other African countries, people from other African countries who would like to beat the record.
Yeah.
Now, I'm also seeing it from a perspective where even when it comes to stamina, physically, men may have a physical stamina more than the ladies. But if she's able to do this, I'm seeing some male chefs who might want to even say, let us even beat the record that she is setting right now.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, it is pushing the limit to inspire people.
Yes.
That's what I see in all
of
these.
course. Like I mentioned earlier, she had a plan. She had to change her lifestyle because she mentioned in an interview that she was on the bigger side, much more than what we are seeing now. But she realized that if she needed that resilience, that stamina to pull through, then she needs to change her lifestyle. So whoever is doing this has to have a template.
Yes.
She says she had a 24-hour time to test what it will be like. And when she pushed through the 12 hours and realized that when she's taking that break, her body needed much more time to rest and recover, she realized that she needed to deal with that aspect. So she was seeing the weak points that she needed to build on before she, came up to do this whole exercise cookathon. And so it goes to show that if you make that plan, you can achieve anything.
That's true. It has to do with planning. And now, from the record she's setting now, you will see that brands will start, attracting, she'll be attracting a lot of brands now.
Absolutely.
To whatever concept she puts forth after this time around. So, coming up with how to make money, how to come up with all of those templates to make money, it's easy when you plan it.
We can only wish her all the best and perhaps go there later on to taste
of
food.
course, we need to taste so that we can, we can check the box.